Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can join a broadcast channel in the Instagram app. So without any delay, let's begin. First of all, you have to open Instagram app on your phone and make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. After you have opened your Instagram app, simply click on the search icon which is located at the bottom of the screen at the right hand side of the home button. Now from here, you have to click on the text box which is saying search and search for the account whose broadcast channel you want to join. After you go on to a profile, you can see an option of broadcast channel at their profile which is located on their bio section. Now when we click on this option, we can see their broadcast channel and you can see a button saying join which you have to click. And that's it. By clicking the join option, you have joined the broadcast channel of the profile. This was the most easy technique on how you can join the broadcast channel. If this video helped you guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.